a few of my favorite things. Long cream colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells, just sticks with noodles. Rockets and flies off the moon on the wing. These are a few of my favorite things. Dun 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 dun. Girls in white dresses, blue sashes, snowflakes that stay on your nose, and eyelashes, silver white winters, and good. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when the bee stings, when I feel things. And these are a few of my favorite things. Remember